Ah, you filthy animals. This is my Mod 1 training. So we've got a Suzuki Bandit 600cc, no ABS, no traction control, none of the mod cons. We've got the slow manoeuvres, we've got the fast manoeuvres. In fact, we've got all of the manoeuvres. Getting ready to take my Mod 1 test. Roll the intro, let's see how we get on. So when you turn up for your test, it'll either be set to the right circuit, or the left circuit. But this is what you've got. In your real Mod 1 test, this is just practice, but it will start from the second you get on your bike. So when you're ready, component 1, you need to move the bike from one bay to another safely and securely, so it stands in the manual handling. Shoulder checks before you start. Get the bike moving, keep it moving nice and steady, and once you've positioned the bike in the next bay, stand down, quick checks, make sure it's safe. Nice and easy. So component 2 is the slalom. So you'll drive a slalom, a weave through a series of cones. It's one of the slow manoeuvres. Again, clutch, throttle, bit of back brake, nice and steady, and once you complete that you will go straight into exercise 3, component 3. I will say that before you start any of your manoeuvres, any of them, you need to do your shoulder checks. Safety first. So what follows component 2? Well, it's component 3, which is your figure of 8. So straight through the slalom, and then you'll begin your figure of 8 manoeuvres. Slow manoeuvres again. You'll need to do a minimum of twice round, so twice round the figure of 8 course. Your examiner on the day may want you to do a little bit more, but again, just keep going round until he instructs you otherwise. This again, like I say, a slow manoeuvre, clutch, throttle control, bit of back brake if needed, but you need to keep the bike moving, turn your head, look where you need to go. Right, so your figure of 8's out of the way. Component 4, slow ride. This manoeuvre is it's to simulate being in slow moving traffic. So 4-5 miles an hour maximum. Keep it straight, keep it steady, keep control of the bike, keep your balance. Again, do your shoulder checks before you set off. Component 5, the U-turn. I hate this one. So your checks, back, front, back, left hand shoulder check before you set off, right hand lifesaver before you commit to the turn, throttle, bit of back brake, bit of clutch. There we go, nailed it. So with the slow stuff out of the way, component 6, 7, 8, cornering, control stop and a circuit ride. These are all higher speed manoeuvres. So build your speed up, get yourself through what would be the speed trap. No speed trap on this one, but you need to stop with your front wheels within that box. So with that out of the way, the speed trap now comes into play. Minimum 50 kilometers an hour. So again, it's the circuit ride. Try and build up as much speed as safely possible. Once you get round this tight corner, line yourself up with the speed trap, open up the throttle, get your eyes up, look for the instructor telling you when to stop, and come to a stop as quickly and as safely as possible. So with the emergency stop done, we then go back into the circuit ride. These are components 10 and 11, circuit ride and avoidance. So it's a swerve again. The speed trap is in place, so it's a minimum of 50 kilometers an hour. Build your speed up around the circuit. Line yourself up with the cones. There'll be a cone to the left or to the right, which will dictate which way you need to swerve. Avoid the hazard and then come to a controlled stop again within the cones marked.